प्रेस स्टडी गाइड में आपका स्वागत है। आज का हमारा तीसरा वीडियो है पॉलिटी नोट्स 50 टॉप क्वेश्चंस का, जो एसएससी सीजीएल टायर सेकंड में टॉप मोस्ट एमसीक्यूज ऑफ पॉलिटी है। आज ये तीसरा वीडियो है, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। 31th क्वेश्चन है, इक्वल पे फॉर इक्वल वर्क हैज बीन एंश्योर्ड इन द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एज वन ऑफ द preamble फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज, इकोनॉमिकल राइट, डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी। इसका आंसर क्या है? Directive Principles of State Policy. Question number 32. The resolution for removing the Vice President of India can be moved in Rajya Sabha only, Lok Sabha only, either of the two houses of the Parliament, both houses of the Parliament in agreement with half of the state legislature in India. इसका आंसर है ए पार्ट, राज्य सभा only. Question number 33. The power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India is vested in the President of India, the Chief Justice of India, the Law Commission, the Parliament. इसका आंसर क्या है? The Parliament. Question number 34. How many parts were there in Indian Constitution? Indian Constitution में कितने पार्ट है? इसका आंसर क्या है? 22C part. Question number 35. Right to freedom in Indian Constitution contains which of the following articles? Article 19, Article 20, Article 21, all of the above. इसका आंसर क्या है? All of the above. Question number 36. The preamble of Indian Constitution has been amended by which Amendment Act? 41th Amendment Act, 39th Amendment Act, 44th Amendment Act, 42nd Amendment Act. इसका आंसर क्या है? 42nd Amendment Act. Question number 37. Who was the first Attorney General of India? C.K. Daftari, M.C. Setalwad, K. Parasaran, Soli Sorabji. इसका आंसर क्या है? M.C. Setalwad. Question number 38. Which of the following is not in the list of fundamental rights of India? Right to property, right against exploitation, right to equality, right to freedom. इसका आंसर क्या है? Right to property. Question number 39. In the Indian judicial system, writs are issued by the Supreme Court and High Court only, the High Court only, the Supreme Court, High Courts and lower courts, the Supreme Court is only. इसका आंसर क्या है? The Supreme Court and High Court only. Question number 40. What is the term of Rajya Sabha member? 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, 6 years. इसका आंसर क्या है? 6 years. Question number 41. By vesting the residuary powers in the Union, the Indian Constitution has followed the Canadian system, the British system, French Constitution, the German system. इसका आंसर क्या है? The Canadian system. Question number 42. Which one of the following is not a part of the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Secularism, democratic, socialism, federalism. इसका आंसर क्या है? डी पार्ट, फेडरलिज्म. Question number 43. Which of the following is non-constitutional body of India? State Human Rights Commission, Union Service Public Commission, Finance Commission, Election Commission. इसका आंसर क्या है? State Human Rights Commission. Which of the following Amendment Act makes the right to education the fundamental rights to all the children under the age of 6 to 14 years by inserting Article 21A to the Constitution? 86th Amendment, 84th Amendment, 89th Amendment, 87th Amendment. इसका आंसर क्या है? 86th Amendment. Question number 45. Which part of the Indian Constitution have the directive principles of state policy incorporated? Part 2, Part 4, Part 7, Part 6. इसका आंसर क्या है? Part 4. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें. थैंक यू.